What's up, homie?
Yes, robots.
Why are you talking about Roblox?
I like Roblox. I like Roblox. I like Roblox. I like Roblox. I like Roblox.
Shut up.
Okay.
Oh shit, we have to go Tesco.
Oh shit, not Tesco. I know I will put the fire alarm.
Let's go.
321.
Fuck, the fire's going off.
Ha 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 ha.
Android robot. How dare you pull the fire alarm at Tesco? That's it, you're grounded for 857,018 5 million years ago. Go to your fucking road now.
Washington.
Please subscribe, like, thank you. Goodbye.